How to create add-on domains. Add-on domains allow you to control multiple domains from a single account. It links a new domain name to a directory in your account, and then stores its files in that directory. You need to point your add-on domain name server to your main domain name server before you add an add-on domain. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Domains section and click on the Add-on Domains icon. Under the Create an Add-on Domain option, enter the add-on domain name and click anywhere outside the input box. cPanel automatically populates the subdomain and document root input boxes. Now click on the Add Domain button. That's it, we have successfully created add-on domain. Now click on the Go Back button. Here is the newly created add-on domain. Thank you for watching.